E-Tech City's EK6015 digital kitchen scale is the golden standard for food measurement. Slim and compact, it's easy to store and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The scale can weigh anything up to 11 pounds, making it the perfect kitchen device for your cooking needs. The EK6015 runs on 2 AAA batteries and has a sleek blue LCD display. It also features a smart tare function. Place any empty container on the scale and press tare to easily remove the container's weight from the scale. Find exact measurements right away. Switch between milliliters for water, milliliters for liquids like milk, ounces, pounds, and grams, all with the push of a button. The milk measurement accounts for liquids that have heavier densities. Use the scale to weigh food, jewelry, even postage. E-Tech City's EK6015 digital kitchen scale helps you build on better living.
And I'm here to talk about this insulated stainless steel 2-compartment bento lunchbox. It is a durable and convenient bento box, perfect for on-the-go meals or snacks. This lunchbox is made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel that will never rust and is naturally BPA-free. It includes an insulated lunch bag to enhance temperature retention, and it makes it easy to be carried. Featuring 2 individual compartments in one, it makes portion control easy and simple. You don't have to worry if you're taking soup or anything that is saucy or liquid that you might be concerned will mix, because it is leak and spill proof, so the food in the 2 compartments won't mix. This bento lunchbox will keep everything contained for you. A couple tips when using this bento lunchbox: be sure to keep in mind that the original food temperature will affect how hot your food stays. For warmer or hot food, make sure to fill your lunchbox at least 3/4 of the way to maximize your temperature capacity. When filling with warm food, always open the silicone valve on the lid first to release the pressure before opening the bento lunchbox to avoid damage to the handles. And be sure to keep an eye out for that silicone valve. This is what seals the lunchbox. If you lose this valve, your lunchbox will lose its ability to seal and be leak-proof. The best way to take care of your lunchbox is to make sure you don't use it in the microwave and to hand wash your bento lunchbox. Whether you're taking food or snacks to the office or school, this 2-compartment bento box is a perfect fit for durability on the go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your lunchbox.
The Easy Pull manual food processor from Xylus is a quick and easy way to chop, mix, and blend food. The processor has a 3-cup capacity bowl to prep larger quantities and features a non-slip silicone base for safety and a better grip. To use, simply fit the booster arm onto the blade and insert into the base. Then, place your ingredients into the bowl. Place the lid on top and pull the ring to the side. This activates the chopping. Once you have finished your food preparation, the blades and the base can go directly into the dishwasher. Wipe the lid clean under hot tap. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or dips, the Easy Pull food processor is quick, easy to use, and leaves little mess. It is the ultimate food preparation tool.
Electric kettle, glass hot water boiler and tea heater with LED indicator inner lid and bottom, auto shut OFF and boil dry protection, BPA free 1.7L, black. Designed in California. Made with the finest quality borosilicate glass which resists scratching and scuffing, healthier than others because no plastics touch the boiling water inside including the lid, unlike other kettles use plastic for the inner lid.